This whole thing started in September, and it started with about 200 teams in our league, and we're down to just 4. Okay?
Yeah.
We will get ready to handle that pressure. All we forgot to do was attack. Okay? I don't want one person thinking about going backwards that last 5 minutes. You think about winning 80 to 78 over the national champions. We talk about it as 40 minutes. Whatever, you got to be ahead after 40 minutes. Go out there and look at the scoreboard and see who in the hell's ahead at 40 minutes.